So guys, this is what I'm expecting on good. Hmm? So this is what I'm actually expecting on good. Whether it break to the upside or to the downside, you get. So this is what I'm expecting on good. You understand? This is what I'm expecting on good. And I hope you can see it very clear. This is just a simple technical analysis concerning good. You get. So um uh, going to Euro USD. Let's check Euro USD. Sorry. Let's check Euro USD. You um, sorry. Let me log in here too. So on this pair, on this pair, I did the analysis since yesterday evening. You get. So I was predicting that this neckline, because this is actually a W pattern. This is actually a W pattern. You understand? This is actually that time the market was around this region, so I predict it to be like this. You get. So sorry. I predict it to be like that. So I predict it to be like that, and it happened to be like that. So what did I really see? So as I see this pattern immediately, I drew this line here, and then it gave me a perfect signal for bar this region, this neckline. You understand? So and I'm still predicting again that if it come to this zone, this downside here like this, let me mark it, where is this arrow? Sorry, let me take your time small to find something out. Oh shit, let me just use this. Yeah, so I'm predicting that if the market come to this zone, this area, I hope you can see my arrow, right? If market come to this area, we'll be looking for buy opportunity immediately. Yeah, this is a strong support zone. Resistance become support. You get. Resistance become support. You understand? So I'm expecting something like this on Euro USD too. And on USDJPY, I'm struggling with USDJPY since Friday last week. Let's see what that pair is saying. USDJPY. And this is what I'm expecting. I seriously believe this hero, this JPY. I seriously believe buy opportunity at this area. Though the market is consolidation seriously at this point. Let me just mark it out. The market is consolidating seriously at this point. Let's just say at this point, the whole thing here is consolidation. You understand? Seriously consolidating at this point, and at this point. You understand, but can you see very well? This is what I'm actually seeing. But since last week, since last week, I took this trade from here since last week, from this region, um from here since last week, and my prediction was that if market reach at this level immediately, I'll be out immediately because it's just one position. So I wanted to enter for two positions so that one position will be at this level for my take profit and second profit will be at this level, but I just later enter for one position. So this is my simple technical analysis on JPY, you understand. JPY is my favorite pair. JPY is, I've made a lot of money from JPY. It's my beginner's luck. I got it from JPY though, followed by gold. You understand? So I fall in love with JPY and gold, then joining Euro USD. You understand? So this is what I'm expecting on JPY. You understand? So let's see how it goes. If this analysis I did you did not understand, you can let me know. Even there is one guy that chatted me off from my status saying that he wants to follow me take this trade, and I told him that he should wait unless I tell him to do so, because I know this trade is very risky because the way the whole thing is playing out is not what I'm expecting. You understand? But since it has not hit my stop loss yet, I'm just holding it for now. You understand? So let's see how it goes. So there is one guy that reached out to me. Let me check my WhatsApp. Let's help him to analyze one pair. Let's help him to analyze one pair. Euro JPY. You understand? So let's analyze Euro JPY for him, and then we'll be done for today, because what I actually planning to do today is to just make you guys to see the trade I took since last week and what is happening today and what you are planning to do tomorrow in some of those pairs I showed to you guys. So Euro JPY. Sorry, JPY. Hmm. Let's use Anode. So now, and I told you guys, if you want to analyze any chart first, quickly run to, if you are just a day trader, quickly run to daily time frame to know what daily time frame is saying, and then like that. If you know what daily time frame is saying, you switch to 1 hour. Know what 1 hour is saying, you analyze your chart in, you go to 4 hour, you see what 4 hour is saying, you analyze your chart in 1 hour. Then after you know the direction from 1 hour, 30 minutes, you still analyze it again to whether it correspond with 1 hour. 30 minutes, you still analyze it in 30 minutes whether it correspond with 1 hour. Then you can finally take your trade in 15 minutes. You just need 3 time frame to take a trade. Don't make things complicated for yourself. You understand? If you are a day trader, one 4 hour is to know, just to know the direction of the trend. See daily time frame to just know where the chart is facing, whether or it's on demand zone or supply zone. You understand? Then 4 hour, just know what the chart is saying generally. You get? Then 1 hour, you analyze the chart properly on 1 hour. 4 hour, you can mark out the key zone on 4 hour. You understand? But then 1 hour, 1 hour, you analyze your chart correctly. 30 minutes, you check the analysis you did on 1 hour, you check it on 30 minutes whether it correspond with 1 hour. You understand? Then you can finally look for an entry on 15-minute time frame. If you want to go for swing trading, like if you want to swing, know what weekly is saying. After you know what weekly is saying, shift down to daily time frame. You know what daily time frame is saying. Then you finally took your trade on 4 hour. Or know what weekly is saying, know the direction of the trend weekly, then switch down to daily time frame. You analyze your chart very very correct on daily time frame. You analyze your chart on daily time frame, then 4 hour, you check your analysis you did whether it correspond with the analysis you did on daily time frame. You understand? Then after you have checking all those things, you know the direction of the market and everything, you know what you are looking for and everything now. So now you now be looking for an entry on 1 hour. That one is swing trading. Swing, those people that swing, you understand? So any trader thought that it last more than 24 hours, any trader thought that can run for complete 4 hours is considered as a swing position. You understand? A swing trade. You get? So now on euro JPY, let's mark out something so that let's mark out something. Oh God, let's mark out something. So let's see what 4 hour is saying. Look at 4 hour is saying. Look at what 4 hour is saying. Let's see mark out some levels out. You understand? So I won't explain the analysis I'm doing right now. You get, because I just want to I just want us to help the guy analyze the chart. You understand? So let's see something together. Though I told the guy that when I see the chart immediately, I told the guy that I'm expecting a sell. You get, I'm expecting a sell. Told the guy that I'm expecting a sell. Let's see it together first before we can conclude. And beside, this is 10:23 p.m. You get, so any trade to be taken on is tomorrow, or when the market open around 12:01, 2 o'clock. You get, because I do trade in the night very 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 well. So this is 1 hour, right? Let's be very careful now and mark out some levels out. You get, let's be very very careful now and mark out some levels out. It's all right. Let me just use this one. Hmm. Hope you guys can see something. Sorry. Hope you guys can see something. So, um, so now I'm seeing something suspicious here, like more of M pattern, right? So let's read down to 30-minute time frame. It's okay. Let me check 50% level out. Let me check 50% level out. It's alright. It's okay. So now, can you guys see something? Can you guys see something? And the reason why this thing is going up is because of this resistance that becomes support at this place. You understand? So, and in 1 hour, what I'm seeing in 1 hour was that is giving us M pattern. You get, is giving us M pattern. Hmm? Is giving up M pattern. But due to the this strong engulfing candle in 1 hour, and this resistance zone, that was the reason why this chart move to this upside to go and fill this gap. You understand? Because this is a massive move in this on this bearish engulfing candle on 1 hour. You understand, ba? So this is a pure confirmation for sell. You get? So when I see down to, because I see the whole thing here now. Let me just, so that you won't be confused. See something here now. One, this is neckline actually. Uh-huh. So shit. This is what I would have even expect the chart to do. You get, ba? Sorry. This is what I would have even expect the chart to do. You understand? I hope you can see it very clear. Can you see it very clear? I hope so. So now, going down to 30-minute time frame. Oh God. Going down to 30-minute time frame. Because it has passed this neckline, it has crossed this neckline. You understand? So I mark out this engulfing candle in 30-minute time frame. I look for 50% level of this candle. You understand? I look for 50% level of this candle, and it's accurate. It's accurate. It's accurate, guys. It's accurate. It's accurate. It activates me. It activates me before going. It activated the other. Had it been I was in the chat then, it activates the order before going down, and it's not too late to enter for buy for sell rather. It's not too late to enter for sell rather, but this time is not the time for me to trade. You understand? I'm just analyzing it because of the guy that chatted me up. You will see it on the screen, whether left hand side or right hand side. You get? So this is what I was actually expecting on Euro JPY. You understand? This is what I was actually expecting on Euro JPY. Let's see this place. Ah, God. Like, it's okay. Let me draw another this thing. Can you see something? Can you see something? Can you see something? 15-minute time frame that we need to take the trade. Can you see something? Is exactly correspond to this 50% level we drew, that I draw just now. You understand? It correspond, guys. It correspond, guys. It correspond. So can you see something? I'm very, very clear. Very, very, very clear. Very, very, very clear. I believe this will go in his favor. If he wish to take the trade, I believe it will go in his favor. So here, your TP will be at this place. You understand? Then your stop loss at this place. Stop loss at that place. I think risk to reward ratio is 4. No, risk to reward ratio is 4. You understand? Risk to reward ratio here now is 4. So let's see how it plays out. You understand? So let's see how it plays out. This is a pure naked chart. Pure naked chart. Let me check my pad. And also took a trade on. I also took a trade on US 30 today. It's my first time to place a trade on US 30. Uh, I'm up with how many percent now on US 30? So I will show you guys tomorrow. on how it goes. You get. I will show you guys tomorrow on how it goes. The account is a small account, and this is my first time trading USDT. So I was just using 0.01 to test my strategy on USDT on live account. You understand? Maybe the screenshot will be on the screen on the left hand side or right hand side. You get. So we are done for now. We are done for now. So this is, I'm coming. Let me just, this is a trade on US30. This is a trade on US30. I don't know whether you can see it very, very clear. That is a trade on US30. I'll paste it on the screen though, so that you can see it very, very well. So for now, I hope you guys know what we are focusing on from now till tomorrow, next tomorrow. You get. I will keep updating you guys, and let's see how it goes. You get. So bye for now, and have a good day. I wish you a profitable week and a profitable month. Happy new month.